Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here. So, of all things to leave and not to have throughout the day, but the whole day without phone stand, this one's good. The last one was black, this one's white. No, opposite. Converse, yeah. The last one was white, this one's black. So, it's this, yeah, it's definitely not as sturdy, but the phone's just too heavy. Whatever. So, but at least we had a tripod. The next thing was a charger, and just because it's different. This one, if you can tell, I think you can tell, right? Cherries. But then you also still need walking around with no charger, no nothing. So then a block, and you can't tell right here, right now, because of the lighting. But this is like a green. Alright, what is this? Solar array wall charger, 2.18 dual USB. Alright, so boom. So I need to test this out, but I tested this out with a different block and it worked. So this block should work. Yeah. And then outside of that is Avatar socks. So this is almost like okay, yeah, full body, chibi. Yeah, it's like chibi Avatar socks. So I'm gonna put these on. I need to charge the phone. See if that works. There's actually an outlet like right there. Let me try it real quick. All right, yes, the combo, this cherry and this avocado, it works. I'm not talking about food. This ain't about that. Socks. I just put these socks on today, so I don't necessarily need to change. But these are footies. So, definitely, but yeah, it should work. Like, yeah, I'm gonna show. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. No. Like, how much of his body is on the foot and how much of it is. Alright. So there's Aang. Looking mighty happy, I must say. Yeah. Cozy fit. That's tough. Yo, outfit for today, crazy.